Did you know that out of all the different internet marketing disciplines, whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, search engine optimization, and many others, email marketing provides the highest return on investment. Reason being is all you're really paying for is the CRM system and someone to send the emails out. One of the questions that I'm often asked about email marketing is, how do I segment my database? A common way to segment your database is to figure out how you obtain that email address. So if you do a lot of shows or events and you're collecting email addresses, you need to tag those contacts as show event. If you obtain the email address from an online visit and you're offering something, you need to tag that. The important ones are, though, if a sales rep has been to a house and they did a presentation, you really need to tag those as completed presentation and did not sell. Reason being is you can send emails out to old leads when you have some kind of sale going on to try to get back in the house to offer a lower price. I highly recommend considering email marketing. It's very, very effective.